The splash of the Dragon and the launch of Hope. Watch here as two NASA astronauts land into water in a space capsule after orbiting the Earth. The rocket named Falcon 9, used for this space mission, was made and operated by the company SpaceX, owned by Elon Musk. The astronauts spent 2 months at the International Space Station in Earth's orbit. The Crew Dragon capsule brought them back to Earth safely. This successful mission could be the first step towards more people visiting space for sightseeing and research. In other space exploration news, the United Arab Emirates successfully launched a probe rocket named Hope towards Mars in July 2020. Hope is scheduled to land on Mars in February 2021. It is using solar panels to power its 429 million kilometer journey and will send back information about the red planet's atmosphere to Earth.